Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, The Stock Analyst. This video is regarding ticker symbol CLOV, which is CLOV, and in this particular video I will talk about the price action, the support, resistance, and also if there is any short squeeze coming or any kind of price movement to the upward side. At the same time, what are the short interests and some recent news about CLOV warrant redemption, and also some other things. And if you find this video useful, please do not forget to hit the like button. At the same time, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Also, if you want, you can always join the YouTube community. It costs only for a cup of coffee for the entire month. So there is two plans, $3 and $5 you can choose, and during the day you will get daily trade ideas. You can see that I post a lot of things with support, resistance, when get in, get out, this kind of thing. Again, it's up to you, but anyway, this is an option you can always consider. So anyway, so CLOV, we know the market has been coming down on the growth stock, especially CLOV. We know like it has came down like 6.6% on Friday. So is that a big deal? So I'm going to talk about the price action, support, resistance, everything. Then also there are a few more things, but as we all know that it came down a lot and it had a support around $7. You can see it was bouncing off that $7 floor multiple times, and each candle here is presenting 1 day. So you can see so many days it stayed over $7 again, and now it might come back to 7 again. It can bounce back, or maybe it has found a floor, because you can see that last time it came to 8 and again it bounced off, went to 9.5, came down. So we have to see whether it is 8 or 7. I don't care, I'm just buying, I'm just averaging down, because I think there will be another squeeze. Just looking at the chart, look at the chart. This is the bottom floor, right? It never came below more than like 6.4, and 7 is like my support. So if it comes to 7, I just buy more. Now I'll talk about the important levels, but before that, let's see something else. And we know on Friday CLOV was heavily beaten, and from Reddit I'm just looking at one chart someone posted. Just on 22nd of July, you see 50% of the entire volume was short volume, meaning that 23 million shares were traded and 11.8 was short volume. It was shorted. So the shorts, they were shorting the stock, right? Heavily, like 50% was the short. So anyway, but if I go to Fintel, it shows that the current short volume ratio, or you can say short interest, is 26.4%. Again, a high number. Anything over 20 is a good candidate for short squeeze, and I know CLOV loves to make a short squeeze out of anywhere, right? So anyway, very exciting. Just looking at the volume here, if I look at a daily volume, you see we had some nice yellow volumes here. Now the volume is dying, but whenever the volume will come back, I'm expecting there will be a big move towards upward. So very, very exciting. Also, when I look at the option chain, so the options expiring 30th of July. Let's look at the open interest column. So it's still like there are like 13,000 call option waiting for 10 strike price. There is 11,000 for 12 strike price. But let's look at 20th of August, which is the monthly expiration date. And what I can see here, for 9 and 10, these strike price, the call options are 18,000 for each of these. And for 12.5 strike price, 27,000 call option. If you see 15 strike price, 21,000 call options is still waiting. They are still open. And why 15? This is important. We will go back to the chart, and 15 is some kind of resistance, and we will talk about this. But before that, some other things I want to talk here. So on July 22nd in the morning, the news came that Cloverhealth Investment announces redemption of all outstanding warrant. So that was the cherry on top for the short. So they got the news, the market was red, so they just shorted, right? 50% of the volume on Friday was shorted. So what does it mean? This is the most important thing. So if you have a warrant, and if you want to exercise, you have to pay $11.5 per share, right? So let's say you purchase the warrant at 1 cent. In order to convert one warrant to a 1 CLOV common stock, you have to pay $11.5, and the current CLOV price is below $9. I think it is at $8. So in that case, what does it mean? So if the current price is 8, will you spend 11.5? No. Most of the case, in that case, those warrant will not be exercised. If this is the event, it means that there will be less share dilution, because these warrant will not become share and there will be less dilution, right? On the other hand, if the warrant holder, what they're doing, like if I look at CLOV warrant, the current price is at $2. So basically if you bought at 2 and you have to pay additional 11.5, your break even is around 13.5. so if CLOV does not go over 13.5 before the date, then definitely they will not be exercised. So what can be done? They don't do anything, they just lose the money and they get only few cents for this. Or if CLOV goes up, in that case there might be a possibility, because there is some date here. You can see the dates here. So August 23rd, so this is the time by 5 p.m. so let's say next week if CLOV goes to $20, in that case if you have a warrant of $2, so 2 plus 11.5 is 13.5, so you can get one CLOV stock for $13, whether the current market price is 20. In that case it makes sense, right? So you buy at 13, you current market price at 20. But if CLOV is below 11, then definitely it doesn't make sense. So it's not a bad thing. If not bad, I shouldn't say bullish, but again, like if the price is below 11.5 or $12, those warrant will not be exercised. Most probably in that case there will be less share dilution. Anyway, so this is the thing. There are some other things I want to mention, that CLOV earning date. So the earning date I see is on 11th of August, so keep that in mind. Normally whether the earning is good or bad, there is always the earning hype, and definitely you'll have to be part of that. Now I want to go back to the chart here, right? So what we were doing, so we had a very strong feeling that it will not come below 11.5 or it will stay over 10, but yeah, it was coming down. So let's look at a daily chart now. So the RSI is currently at 37, 38 area, and you can see that last time it came around 30 RSI, then it was going up and up. So just looking at the RSI, it seems like it might has come down, because you see for last few days it is going sideways. Or look at the MACD here, the daily MACD, the blue line is crossing, and whenever the blue line crosses the orange line, it means things are bullish. Then it goes up and you can see new green bars appear. So you can see that the red green bars are less now, it is all light green bar, and the height of the bars are less. So once it will cross, we will see more price action. At the same time the green bars will appear. So this is one thing. And also looking at the chart, what do you think? Like it seems like it has come very close to its floor, right? So the floor is at $7. So whether it is 7 or 8, the important resistance is around 9.5. You can see last time it tried to hit 9.5, it came down. Other than 9.5, I think the area around 11.5 is also important. Why? Because 11.5, a previous resistance, then it became a support, then again it became a resistance, it became a support. So 11.5 would be some kind of a big resistance. Once 11.5 is broken, then I think 13.7 and 15, these are the other areas. And why 15? I see 15 is the important area, because last time it was rejected at 15. Otherwise, if 15 is broken, I think this thing can go to 17, 20, and that time you will see the short squeeze. But for now, the important thing is to maintain the support at 8 and break 9.5 and go towards 11.5. And also there might be some resistance around 10.5. So anyway, I'm long on this, and if it comes to 7, I will just buy more and more share. And also in my previous videos I talked how you can get weekly covered call, weekly passive income. So while you are holding your CLOV shares, you can sell weekly covered call, and you can get some extra money, and whenever there will be a squeeze, you can always like get profit. So anyway, so I just wanted to give you an update on CLOV, because in my channel, in my community, many of us are holding CLOV and we are expecting a squeeze. Not necessarily it has to be tomorrow, it might come back to 7, then it might squeeze back again. But again, very high short interest, and we know if there is more volume, this thing will run again. So anyway, my friend, if you find this video useful, please do not forget to hit the like button. At the same time, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Also, if you want, you can always try to become a member for this community. It costs only $3 for the entry level, and also $5 for daily trade ideas during pre-market and during market hours as well. Anyway, thank you very much for watching this particular video. Take care and peace.